Hello viewers, welcome back to another video. This is the P0455 Ford. This is the Evaporative Emission Control System leak detected gross leak codes. So let's find the solution in this video. And first of all, I will thank you for liking my video, commenting and sharing. Please subscribe my channel for more OBD code videos. So let's start the video. The first thing, one of the most common trouble code with the Ford Edge is the P0455 code. This trouble code references a number that is given to you when you plug your Edge into OBD2 scanner and has to do with the emissions system P0455 indicates that there is a large leak in the evaporative emissions control system. It often appears with its related other codes such as P0420, 430, 441 and very often P0440. When the code P0455 detected the EVP control system has a very large leak such as a full filler cap fuel of EVP control system does not operate properly. The trouble code cases: the first case is the missing fuel cap, second defective or damaged fuel cap, third destroyed damaged fuel tank filler neck, fourth tom or punctured evaporative system hoses, fifth a defective fuel tank sending unit gasket or seal, sixth case split or damaged carbon canister, seventh case is a defective evaporative vent value and or evaporative perk value. Last case is the defective or damaged fuel tank. There is the 8 main cases in this code. The symptom of this P0455, the first symptom is the engine light well illuminated. Second is that in most cases there are no adverse condition noticed by the driver. Third is that in some cases there are maybe noticeable fuel odor caused by the release of fuel wipers. The possible solution of this is the first thing is the remove and reinstall the gas cap, clear the cords and drive for a day, see if the cords come back. Second thing is the otherwise replace the gas cap and or inspect the EVP system for cuts, hole, tubes, hoses. You may hear a vacuum noise or smell fuel repair if necessary. Okay viewers, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more videos and visit our website carsfall.com to see helpful article and some frequently asked questions. So thank you very much. Bye bye and see you in the next video.